Hello and welcome, friends. Welcome to another unboxing, exciting episode. This time for you, I have this package. It just arrived from the post office. I paid for it 650 lays, so approximately 131.34 euros or 151.74 American dollars. So it is what it is, around 130 euros or 150 American dollars. I have here my trusted little flower pelican knife, with its small blade, which I find quite practical. And I saw that this pack had a little hole here. It didn't affect the content of it. I will simply grab the content out of here and we will see what we have. So, other than this box, the package is empty. And guys, let me give you a zoom because I want you all to admire this vintage box. If we look at it, we don't see imprints, so I'm not so sure what it was originally, what it originally contained. You can see some wear signs. It is an old box, but with a quite nice pattern, that lizard pattern. If we open this box, we can see another vintage box and two writing instruments. I will put the writing instruments here because I can see now on the box some imprints. Let me zoom on them. So, Armand Blisson, Genève, Orvèvre, Rue Pavilion, Marseille. Okay, so a box from Marseille. It has this interesting clip like Masonic. Wow, quite interesting. It looks nice, this box. I think it originally contains some jewelry. Let me put the box here. And now I have a little, also vintage box. Quite nice. We have Waterman Flair written on it. Let me see how it can. Yes, we can open it like this. Whoa, quite nice. So nice Waterman. You gotta love this velvet green combination. Waterman Flair double R. Let me see if this contains something beneath it. No, it's just empty. I will put this here and let's check out this fountain pen. Oh no, I'm mistaken, guys. This is not the fountain pen. This is a Waterman's ballpoint pen. If we uh, push that ending, but for the moment I think it's stuck. I got a lot of those fountain pens. They are quite slim and practical. So this is a very elegant ballpoint pen made by Cross. It was a gift from the seller, or I forgot about it. But what is interesting about this unboxing, it is those two writing instruments. I love the fact that they are gold laminated, and one of the clues that we have beautiful lamination. Here it is 18KR, so it's not solid gold, but it reached that incredible height. 18 karat, 82. Okay, it has this beautiful ornaments here and here at the end of the cap. Little signs of use, but in a wonderful, wonderful condition. If I try to open it, it opens quite nice. It opens like this, guys. Only to reveal this hidden camera. Okay, let me see. I hope that this part is not broken. Let me see on the nib what we have here. Okay, it has a beautiful, beautiful nib. Here the ebonite feed. Unfortunately, the crack grip section, it is a bad, bad thing. And in my opinion, it will crack a little bit more because it has that engraving with a K and an R. I thought it was made for the Italian market. Now I have here a little bit smaller fountain pen, but with the same pattern, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Maybe a slight difference in patterns. Yes. So here I have a mechanical pencil, and this is a mechanical pencil. Guys, I think that they are from the beginning of the 1920s or from early 1920s, the beginning of 1920s. These are wonderful, wonderful, wonderful pieces to write. So, just the second retractable one from my collection. Stay tuned, guys, because they will all have their own reviews on my channel, so I won't neglect them. It appears that I always neglect my fountain pens, but it's not like this. I simply have to do lots of comments before I can truly appreciate the body of a woman. So, guys, this is my second retractable fountain pen. This was my unboxing. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you've enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your time. Stay tuned to my channel because each and every writing instrument will have its review. Please stay safe in this pandemic time. Bye bye.